welcome to today's video. I do have a makeup look on this look. This video is all about Longqi Hair. I just styled it a little bit for you guys to show you guys, you know what I'm saying, like versatile top. So I love this wig. It is so nice. It is so nice. This is your Brazilian straight hair, 22 inches. No shedding. No, a little bit of shedding, like a tubes of shedding, because you know when you get the hair, it's fresh from the factory or whatever, then it's just packaged and shipped to you. So it does have some initial shedding, but it's not shedding everywhere, honey. Like this shedding I can deal with. And I just styled my hair a little bit for you guys. I really hope you guys like it. I am in love. This side is falling already. Gosh, should have done more. I don't want to decide just curl now. And for this side, I'll use it because it's an entire video, and it's a little bit of a rambly. It's a chat. Let's just say a chatty video. It may ruffle some feathers, but I don't think so, because I was very calm in the video, right? I think so. But anyway, enjoy the video, guys. And again, Longqi Hair, thank you so much. Everything for them will be linked in the description bar below. And again, I said it in the video, but honestly, you're here in the intro to you guys. Thank you for your support, and thank you for your patience with me. Enjoy the video. Alright, hi guys. First of all, before I go any further in this video, I really want to tell you guys thank you. This video is sponsored by Longqi. This is a Longqi video. I'll just be winding my hair and talking to you guys, but I really want to tell you thank you for your patience with me. I keep on saying I'll tell you guys thank you for your patience with me with these Longqi videos. For each hair that I get, I have to do 3 videos, see? So that's why. So I have to think of creative ways and how to do that while still having you guys be engaged, you know what I mean? But let's be honest, I mean, it's me. You want to watch me, right? Okay, let's curl the hair. So I'm just going to be doing some light curls. What I love most about this hair, first of all, this is the best hair I've ever gotten from Longqi. Not because I've gotten crappy hair before, but because of the style. Like, this style suits me so much. I love excuse me, I love straight hair. I love straight hair with structure like this. You see how flat the top of my head is? Oh my god, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it to bits and pieces. So I'm just going to do oh, let me just curl it some more. So I'm not going to do anything major, just some simple little curls. Yeah, so I've been working with Longqi now for the entire year. By the way, if it's the first video that you're seeing of me, hi, hello, my name is LyricRochester. I'm a Jamaican YouTuber. I've been on here for 8 years or 9 years, something like that. And wow, I've been on here for a hot minute. Look at that. Oh, I'm using my my Vanity Planet curling wand, and as you can see, I'm just grabbing chunks and just wanding it. Like, there's no rhyme or reason, and I'm wanding it like away, so not like to my face, but like away from it. Right, so I've been working with them for years, probably 2 years now. This is probably my 2nd year or my 3rd year, I'm not quite sure, but it's been over 2. It's been, let's just say 2 years. So 2 years I've been working with them for, and I'm always blown away by the quality. Excuse me. No, I know there's a lot of hair companies, and I touched on this before in a video that I did, but yeah, there are a lot of hair companies out there, and you have to choose who you want to work with. You have to choose who you want to work with, who you want to give your money, who you want to invest. You have to make that choice, and that's why I would do reviews here on YouTube. And that's why I don't review every single hair company that writes me. I don't, because when I get the hair, it's crappy hair, and I want you guys to understand something. Whenever I get hair, I have to pay to clear it. I usually have the company pay, but I don't do that anymore, because I used to do that initially, like, so I get paid to the review and then send over the bill that customs would send me. That's before I was linked up with Personate JA. So I'll send over that bill and be like, okay, so it's like this amount to clear the hair and this amount to pay me, and it was just a lot for the company. So because of that, I lost out on some companies who who I used to work with, yeah. So now I just cover the cost. So because of that, I choose Personate JA. So with Personate JA, I don't pay as much to clear hair. But the other thing with Personate JA is because it's coming down to Christmas now, and like it is cray with like the shipping. Hold on, let me just spray it so I'm got to be, because I'm not making it stay long on the hair. So I'm gonna just spray it and just kind of scrunch it up a little bit. So I have like that there, right? So so I use Personate JA, and it's just better for me. I used to use Ship Me, but not anymore, because it had gotten to the point where I felt like there was a vendetta out against me, right? So at one point in my, I'm trying to figure out how we wrap this around. At one point in my YouTube career, I made a video about customs, and that video went viral. And I would say it went viral for all the right reasons, you know. But then it got a lot of people in some hot water. It got national. I was even on a radio show about it. I was on some news, I think it was Loop News or something, that had posted the link or something. Like it went viral because a lot of us as Jamaicans, we, especially us as vloggers, content creators for social media, it's a lot. Can you imagine me getting a PR package? Let's say Longqi sends me a PR package, right? And it's hella gaudy. It has like a mannequin head in there, like a wig cap, some thread, like everything to make a full wig, and with like all the bells and whistles. Do you know how much customs is going to charge me to clear that? Because all they're seeing is like the value of the good, and that for me is really frustrating, because I remember, or I have already sent like invoices to customs. So when like a company like Longqi reaches out to me, because they're like China based or whatever, and they reach out to me like, yo, send me an invoice of the raw value of the hair. See? So they send me the invoice, I shoot it over to customs. At one point they were taking it, and then all of a sudden they can't take it. So I had to change the format. So I sent it in PDF, they were taking it, and they know they can't accept that kind of invoice. And I'm just really frustrated. It's just like, okay, so what do you guys want then? It seems as if it would seem as if the rules are constantly being changed, and we as the consumers aren't being told about it. We're not told about the rules. We're not told that okay, so you can't do this and you have to do. We're not told. We just go and hear say something new come out. I just wish there was a forum, or maybe there is, or maybe I just really don't care and there is and I don't know. But there should be a forum where, or their website. Do they have a website? I don't know, of course they must have a website where they share like, okay, new in Jamaica customs, something. And I really feel like for us as content creators, there should be something there. You know, like how when stores have certain stuff waived, or certain waived, or like oh, it's okay because she's a store. You know what I mean? Like as content creators, we need that as Jamaican content creators, because the stuff that we like, the stuff we'll get on a normal something, is it me? And for somebody like me who get package like every single week, at one point I was collecting a package every single week, and it's like 2-3 packages, and that at least 2 hair companies would be in that package. So I have like 2 of my hair to clear. Is it me? So like as a customs person, it would seem as if I'm selling, but I'm like, think about it. Think about it. I mean, I guess they are thinking about it, and it maybe me want scammer. I mean, I'll hear them little because so that me can have them or whatever, and I understand it. And if I don't know, it's just word vomit at this point. My point is, I'm like really frustrated with just how Jamaica customs is run. I don't know how to run it. I'm not on the board or whatever, and I'm not knocking anybody who works at customs. So if you work at customs, please talk to me. Is it because Althea, my girl from, oh my god, I look so cute. It looks so cute. Oh, this is falling a little bit. Let me just go ahead and comb these. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is hella cute. Let me go ahead and curl this again, because this looks as if it's falling. yes, so like she has explained to me or tried. But it's like every time someone comes, I'm like, but why you can't clear it? This happened the last time. She's like, oh no, they're not taking that this time. And I'm like, do you have something personally against Althea? And I have to think like that because people work. People work at these places. They're not a machine where there is no bias. There is a bias, and I don't know if they're biased towards me personally or towards who I choose to use, you know. And if like other companies have one little man who they are customs and they can collect for them things cheaper and just slide the man of money, like I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at how that is so nice. Like I don't know. I don't know. I want my hair to go back like this and go in it like that. That looks so cuticles. Oh, this is so nice, you guys. This is, let me just comb it out a bit more. But this is nice. This is so nice. Let me bring this back. But yeah, so this is the things that goes on in my mind. So even like I would love to work with other companies. I would love to accept more responsibilities, you know, but I have to tell companies, oh, you know, no, I won't be able to or whatever, because it just won't add up for me. You know what I mean? It just won't add up for me. Anyway, so this is what the hair is looking like. Yeah, so I'm sorry if I ranted or whatever. I mean, I was calm, you know. I'm so in love with this hair. It just look good. It just look good. I am in love. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I love it. This is so nice. What do you guys think? Tell me. I love it. I love the curls. I love everything about this side. Is tight like I don't want to just do, and that side they're a little bit loose. So I'm just tighten up them curls here real quick. Emotion. What's love got to do? Got to do with it? Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? Nothing like your presence, Lord. All I want is to be with you. Alright, you guys, so this is it for this video. I have not done anything to this closure or to the front of the wig at all. I've done nothing at all to it. Nothing. And it's a pre-made wig, so it comes made already. You literally just put it on your head and you go in. I did a video where I I didn't even style the hair, no heat, nothing. I just put it on my head, brush it out, and then I went about my day, honey. Yeah, so this is it. I'm looking this side because the mirror is that side, but this is it. I love how this looks. It's so good. But anyway, this is it for my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I thought my hand was on the iron, but it was on my phone. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Oh, German was calling me. I'm there calling and I'm sorry. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Longqi, thank you so much. So much. It's been an honor working with you this year, and a complete honor. Talk to you guys in the next video.